Tomatoes, often heralded as the jewels of the garden, are a rewarding crop for both novice and seasoned gardeners alike. Their vibrant colors and rich flavors make them a staple in kitchens worldwide, and growing them can be a deeply satisfying endeavor. To embark on the journey of tomato farming, one must understand the nuances of their cultivation, from selecting the right varieties to mastering the art of nurturing them through the 3-year growing season. The first step in tomato farming is choosing the right variety to suit your climate, taste preferences, and intended use. Tomatoes come in many forms, from the small, sweet cherry tomatoes to the large, beefy slicing varieties. Heirloom tomatoes, cherished for their unique flavors and colors, are a favorite among enthusiasts, while hybrid varieties often offer disease resistance and higher yields. Consider your local climate. For cooler regions, early maturing varieties are ideal, whereas warmer climates can support longer growing types. Once you have selected your seeds, the next step is to start them indoors, especially if you live in an area with a shorter growing season. Begin by sowing seeds about 6 to 8 weeks before the last expected frost date. Use a high-quality seed starting mix and plant seeds about 1/4 inch deep in small pots or seed trays. Ensure they receive plenty of light, either from a sunny windowsill or under grow lights, and maintain a consistent temperature of around 70 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Keep the soil moist but not waterlogged, and within a week or two, you should see the first signs of germination. As your seedlings grow, they will develop their first set of true leaves. At this stage, it's beneficial to gently brush your hand over the seedlings a few times a day or place a small fan nearby to simulate wind. This encourages stronger stems and prepares them for life outdoors. When the seedlings are several inches tall and have at least 2 sets of true leaves, it's time to transplant them into larger pots. This allows more room for root development and prepares them for the eventual move to the garden. Before transplanting your young plants outdoors, it's crucial to harden them off. This process involves gradually acclimating them to outdoor conditions to prevent shock. Start by placing them outside for a few hours each day in a sheltered location, gradually increasing their exposure to sunlight and wind over the course of a week or two. Be mindful of nighttime temperatures, as tomatoes are sensitive to cold and should not be exposed to temperatures below 50 degrees Fahrenheit. When the danger of frost has passed and your plants are hardened off, it's time to move them to their final growing location. Choose a site with full sun and well-drained soil. Tomatoes thrive in rich, loamy soil, with a pH of 6.0 to 6.8. It's a good idea to amend the soil with compost or well-rotted manure to provide nutrients and improve soil structure. Space your plants 18 to 36 inches apart, depending on the variety, to ensure good air circulation and reduce the risk of disease. Plant your tomatoes deeply, burying 2/3 of the stem to encourage the development of a strong root system. This might seem counterintuitive, but tomatoes can grow roots along their stems, and a robust root system is key to a healthy plant. Water the plants thoroughly after transplanting, and apply a layer of mulch around the base to conserve moisture and suppress weeds. Tomatoes require consistent watering, especially during fruit set and development. Aim to keep the soil evenly moist, but avoid overhead watering, which can promote fungal diseases. Instead, water at the base of the plant using drip irrigation or a soaker hose. As the plants grow, they will need support to keep them off the ground and to prevent the stems from breaking under the weight of the fruit. Stake them, cage them, or use a trellis system, securing the main stem and branches as they grow. Fertilization is another crucial aspect of tomato care. Begin with a balanced fertilizer when transplanting, and once the first flowers appear, switch to a formula higher in phosphorus and potassium to encourage fruiting. Be cautious not to over-fertilize, as this can lead to lush foliage at the expense of fruit production. Throughout the growing season, keep an eye out for pests and diseases. Common issues include aphids, tomato hornworms, and blight. Regularly inspect your plants and take action at the first sign of trouble. Hand-picking pests, applying organic insecticidal soap, and practicing crop rotation can help manage these problems. Additionally, Removing lower leaves and ensuring proper spacing can reduce the likelihood of disease by improving air circulation. As your tomatoes begin to ripen, you'll be rewarded with the fruits of your labor. Harvest tomatoes when they are fully colored and slightly firm. Gently twist or cut the fruit from the vine to avoid damaging the plant. If frost threatens before all your tomatoes have ripened, you can pick green tomatoes and allow them to ripen indoors. Growing tomatoes is not just about the end product, but also the journey. The process of nurturing a plant from seed to harvest teaches patience and attentiveness. It connects us to the rhythms of nature and the satisfaction of growing our own food. Whether you're enjoying a sun-warmed tomato fresh from the vine or transforming your harvest into sauces and preserves, the flavors and satisfaction of homegrown tomatoes are unparalleled. In the end, tomato farming is a blend of art and science, requiring observation, care, and a little bit of experimentation. Each season brings new challenges and rewards, and with each harvest, you gain a deeper understanding of what it means to cultivate the land. So, plant your seeds with hope, tend your garden with love, and enjoy the bountiful harvest that follows.